Hi, this is Ann with SVG Cut File, and today I'm going to show you what to do if your downloaded Etsy files are showing up as Google Chrome or Internet Explorer files. Alright, let's get started. Alright, I've got a folder here of SVGs, and I'm just going to open that now. And you can see that these look like Internet Explorer files. So they might look like this, or they might look like Chrome files, or even Inkscape or Illustrator files. But here's the good news. These are actually SVG files. And if you go to View and choose Details like this, you can see here that it says SVG document. So although they don't look like it, they will still upload perfectly fine in Cricut Design Space. So you can open Cricut Design Space, start a new project, and then come down here to Upload, choose Upload Image, and then browse for the file in your SVG files. And even though this has an Internet Explorer file on it, I'm just going to choose this one and then open it. And we will save it. And then I'm going to click on it and insert images. And as you can see, it has all the layers that it should have as an SVG file. So it really is an SVG file. It's not an Internet Explorer file. So we know they're SVG files, but why does this happen? Basically what your system is doing is defaulting because it doesn't know what an SVG file is. It just defaults and assumes you want to use Internet Explorer or Google Chrome to open it. Now you can come out here and right click and choose Open With, and then try to get it to open with Cricut Explorer, but that will not work. So it doesn't really matter what you choose here. You could choose Illustrator and it actually will open with Illustrator, but if you choose Cricut or Cameo software here, it's not going to work when you double click it because you have to load those in a certain way. You have to actually go to the program and load them that way. So you're probably thinking, wouldn't it be nice if there's a way to actually see a picture of what the SVG looks like instead of this icon? And actually there is a way. You'll need to open a free account on adobe.com, and then you can download a program called Adobe Bridge. So I've come out here to adobe.com, Products, Bridge. You can just search Google for Adobe Bridge free download, and you'll get to this site, adobe.com. We'll go to Download, and you'll need to install this Bridge installer. So we'll click on that. And then you'll have to create an account here. So I'm going to enter my account. I have already created one. You'll have to answer a few questions and then continue. And then it'll take some time to install. And once you have Bridge installed, you can navigate to any part of your desktop or anywhere, and it'll show you previews of all your files. You can increase the size of them here. You can also just drag a folder onto the Bridge icon on your desktop, or you can drag files there and it'll populate them in here like this. So it's really handy as a file viewer, and it's good for a lot of other things too. It's a really robust program. So that's an easy way to preview all of your files. Alright, if you like this video, just click the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, you can hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you!